So the market requires serious experience. Okay, guys. Many people come in trading within their first month of trading. They expect to get results. Okay, so first things first, in trading you cannot get rich overnight. Okay, guys. First year you come in trading, the first month, the second month, things don't work, and then you start changing your strategy over and over again. I've been trading support and resistance for the recent 2.5 years. Okay, guys, so that's my best strategy, and I mostly use it to trade gold and other currency pairs. Okay, guys, support and resistance, it works hand in hand very well across all pairs. Okay, guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your best friends. Okay, guys, so step by step guide. So let me take you through how we lost. Okay, guys, so the setup was a buy. You can still be in a buy setup and still blow your account. Of course, it's very possible. Yeah, being in a setup doesn't mean that you cannot blow. Okay, guys, sometimes it's about risk management and money management. Okay, guys, so the setup, it was just like setup was, so most times it's about risk and money management, but sometimes first work depending on your account size. So if your account size is small, sometimes you end up blowing up your accounts. Okay, so just imagine it's like our stop loss was below here, so the market stopped us out. Okay, guys, so the market stopped us out. Just imagine, so this week went down, so the candle, so when the CPI was used, I realized that the dollar is going to be very strong. Yeah, it was very strong, but it was sort of a mixed reaction. It was strong and weak, so I expected price to rise up very fast, but never the case. It never showed up. So we started buying UJ. Okay, guys, we started buying. I dropped the signal, but later in buying, it first dropped back 40 pips. So dropping back 40 pips, that was a big drop. So when it dropped back 30 pips negative, so we had nothing to do. And the good thing, that was a small account, so we were trying to flip a small account to some good amount of money, but we failed. Okay, guys, so this was the setup which I have drawn here, but it was stopped out, so we hit a stop loss. So hitting a stop loss doesn't mean that you're a bad trader. Okay, guys, one bad day in trading doesn't make you to be an unprofitable trader, and one good day in trading doesn't make you to be a profitable trader. What makes you a profitable trader is the consistency in the game. Okay, guys, consistency in the game and the way you see the market. Okay, guys, so technical analysis is the key in forex trading, is the key in any market. Technical analysis involves around 90 to 70% most of the times. The rest can be fundamental trading mindset and developing a trading discipline. Okay, guys, most times you need to develop a trading discipline. So this is what I learned when I grew my small account. So the first thing I learned is to trust your own setup. So you have to trust the setup no matter what the market shows. You have to trust the setup. Okay, guys, trust the setup, things will work out. So applying proper risk management. So the thing is, there was late entries. So the late entries means that we never entered in the right zone. Most times it happens. So if you see here, so this zone here, it was not the right zone for entries, of course. Okay, guys, this was not the right zone, so this is late entries, so we entered late. So in a pullback, so this is high risk entry. So we entered in a high risk zone. So the only zone which was safe, it was around after the break of that zone. So late entries. Then a second thing we learned about emotional trading. Okay, guys. So you blow up, your stop loss is hit, so you come back to the market, you want to gain. Remember, this is CPI, so we ended up blowing the account. Okay, guys, but next time better. First of all, this evening, I had to drop also a gold setup. We caught gold setup sales, and I dropped it in the group. Okay, guys, it went 100 pips down, it went 200 pips down. Okay, guys, so this was the gold sell setup to drop. Okay, guys, as you can see, so this was the gold sell setup to drop. I dropped in the group with my trading friends. Okay, guys, so we had to share knowledge. Okay, trading is all about sharing your experience with others. This business is not selfish business. Okay, guys, if you're a trader, find other traders, keep sharing knowledge. That's the best way you can grow. Okay, guys, me, as I started, I never knew how to draw a support, I never knew how to draw a resistance, but at this time I can draw clear. Okay, guys, so keep in touch. You have to you have to keep showing in the market. Okay, guys, keep showing in the market no matter the losses. When you make a loss, doesn't mean that you will never be profitable. When you make profits, doesn't mean that you are going to be profitable. The only thing that will make you profitable is being consistency in the game. Okay, guys, so if you can look at this, all my charts, as I told you, I trade support and resistance, and you can see all the key areas, as you can see, the zones. You have to draw the right zones. So most importantly, the last lesson which I learned is to only enter in the right zones. Price left me, so I took an impulsive entry. Taking an impulsive entry on a small account, there are high chances that that account will grow. Okay, guys, yeah, never take an impulsive entry. Okay, guys, trust your setup. Okay, apply proper risk management. Okay, guys, also you have to first make top-down analysis first. Also, fundamental analysis. You have to understand what the fundamental. So, what is Trump talking about? What's the dollar? What's the signs of dollar talking about? Okay, guys. If you look at our DXY, it was very positive, and since the DXY is positive, I was expecting gold to buy. The DXY broke its highest resistance, recent resistance. So I thought so. There was a bullish, there was a bearish bias for gold, and there was a bullish bias for UJ. And most times these pairs move in hand, but depending on the market change, sometimes the market can change, and you will see that. But today the market never changed; it obeyed. So gold respected the US dollar. Okay, guys, since the dollar is strong, so gold became weaker and more weaker, and it dropped down 300 to 400 pips down. Okay, guys, so if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin most times does not respect the fundamental analysis unless otherwise when there are more political tensions in the, like in the Middle East.